A lot of people ask, what is overlanding? Overlanding, if you look at the Oxford Dictionary definition, is actually leaving your own country of origin to travel. This is pretty much what I've been doing with my wife for the past 4 years, and we specifically do it in a car. Now, you don't have to do it in a car, you can do it on a motorcycle, you can do it on a bicycle even, but as long as you leave your country, then you are a true overlander. Hi, I'm Kevin.
Hello, I'm Heike.
And together we've been travelling the world for the last 4 years, overlanding and driving through 40 countries. And now we wish to give you the opportunity to join us on one of our tours in Morocco to get an overland adventure for yourself. Why do we come to Morocco? Wow, we've asked many overlanders, what is one of your favourite places in the world? And people will say Morocco. And the reason it's Morocco is because it has everything. It has mountains with snow. It has vast deserts, the Sahara, one of the most famous deserts in the world. It has beaches. It has pine forests. It has not only the Atlantic Ocean, which is rough and wild, it's also got the Mediterranean Sea, which is blue and warm. It makes for an ideal destination. In the winter, it gets cold. You go to the mountains, you go to the desert. It can be cold in the night, but during the day, we get stuff like this. And where else would you want to be other than in the sunshine? I'll leave you with one thought. Do not die with dreams, die with memories. Live to travel, travel to live. Hope to see you on the road soon.